The 47th edition of International Film Festival of India 2016 is now coming to an end. It's only fitting to wrap this festival up with a ceremony celebrating the grandeur of this prestigious film festival. The festival promotes networking, giving business opportunities to both ends of the industry. Not only does this festival promote the Indian industry, but it also promotes Goa as a creative hub. In fact, at certain press conferences, international directors have said that the response they received from the community at this festival has encouraged them to look into directing their future films right here in the state of Goa. And that is the beauty of this festival. We all benefit from it.